Top 30 SQL Interview Questions and Answers. 1. What is SQL? SQL, Structured Query Language, is a domain-specific language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. 2. Explain the difference between and or operators in SQL, and is used for combining multiple conditions where all conditions must be true, while or is used when any of the conditions can be true. 3. What is the difference between inner join and left join? Inner join returns only the matching rows between tables, while left join returns all rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. 4. How do you eliminate duplicate rows from a result set? Use the distinct keyword to retrieve only unique rows from the result set. 5. What is a subquery in SQL? A subquery is a query embedded within another query and is used to retrieve data to be used in the main query. 6. Explain the group by clause in SQL. Group by is used to group rows based on specified columns, typically used with aggregate functions like sum, count, evg, etc. 7. What are aggregate functions in SQL? Aggregate functions perform calculations on a set of rows and return a single value, like sum, count, evg, min, and max. 8. What is the having clause used for? Having is used with the group by clause to filter groups based on aggregate function results. 9. Explain the order by clause in SQL. Order by is used to sort the result set based on one or more columns, in ascending or descending order. 10. What is the difference between union and union all? Union removes duplicate rows from the combined result set, while union all includes all rows, including duplicates. 11. Explain the like operator in SQL. Like is used in the where clause to perform pattern matching on string values. 12. What is the purpose of the between operator in SQL? Between is used to filter results within a specified range. 13. Explain the in operator in SQL. In is used to match a value against a list of specified values. 14. What is a primary key in SQL? A primary key is a unique identifier for a row in a table and ensures data integrity and quick data retrieval. 15. What is a foreign key in SQL? A foreign key is a column that establishes a link between two tables and ensures referential integrity. 16. Explain the case statement in SQL. Case is used to perform conditional logic in SQL queries. 17. How do you add or modify data in a table using SQL? Use insert into to add new rows and update to modify existing rows. 18. What is the purpose of the delete statement in SQL? Delete is used to remove rows from a table. 19. What is a view in SQL? A view is a virtual table created by a query and does not store data itself but displays data from one or more tables. 20. Explain the join statement and its different types. Join combines rows from two or more tables based on a related column. Types include inner join, left join, right join, and full join. 21. What are the different types of SQL commands? SQL commands can be categorized into data definition language, DDL, data manipulation language, DML, data control language, DCL, and transaction control language, TCL. 22. What is the purpose of the index in SQL? An index improves query performance by allowing faster data retrieval. 23. Explain the concept of normalization in SQL. Normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. 24. What is a self-join in SQL? A self-join is a join where a table is joined with itself, typically using aliases. 25. How do you handle null values in SQL? Use the isNull or isNotNull operators to handle null values. 26. What are triggers in SQL? Triggers are SQL code that automatically executes in response to specific events, such as insert, update, or delete operations. 27. Explain the alter table statement in SQL. Alter table is used to modify an existing table structure. 28. What is the purpose of the rollback statement in SQL? Rollback is used to undo transactions that are not committed. 29. What are the ACID properties in SQL? ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. It defines the key properties of a transaction. 30. How do you handle concurrency issues in SQL? Concurrency issues can be managed by using transactions and appropriate locking mechanisms. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell icon for notification of our updates.